Hi, this is Paul Husbands from IBM Analytics. I just wanted to take 4 or 5 minutes to show you a very quick demonstration of the dashboarding capabilities within IBM Planning Analytics. First of all, I'm going to open up a new view. In this view or this tile, I get the choice to give it a name. I'll just call it Paul's View, and I'm going to choose a 4x4, 2x2 quadrant to pop into it. So there we have it. You can just about see the quadrant on the outline. I've got some data assets here that I can insert from my planning applications. I'm just going to hide that for now and use one of the smarts. I'm going to type in view revenue, and that's going to show me a slice of the different revenue options that we've got. This first one's the one I want, so I'm going to add it into my view, and I'm also going to view the income statement as well. Go away and find different income statements, just the one there to view, so I'm going to use that one. Okay, so at the moment I'm looking at the revenue figure by unit, so I just want to change that to be the actual revenue figure. And the other thing that I'm interested in, instead of looking at my sales channels, I'm interested in looking at my product dimension. So products are down the right-hand side, left-hand side of that view, and the time along the top. I'm just going to pop into my data. I'm going to add a couple more things in here now. So first of all, within my cube areas, if I get down to the revenue cube and into my organization, I have some sets predefined in there. I'm just going to right click on the regions and add that as a widget. And it's added a widget in there. You can see I can choose different values. Now at the moment, these are not synchronized in, so I'm just going to add a second widget, and that is from my time periods. Okay, I'll just take that and add as a widget, adds it into the bottom right hand corner, and I'm just going to highlight this area here, and I can choose to synchronize this widget across all dimensions, and equally I'm going to do the same thing with my income statement and choose to synchronize that across all dimensions. And now I'm just going to close that synchronize box. And so now when I click on a region, so Eastern for example, I can see the values get updated to reflect the Eastern value, and equally if I choose a different year, I can see that the values get updated to reflect the year that I've just selected. Now at the moment I'm looking at this view by months, and what I want to do is edit that set and change it to just look at the current year. So I can choose year at the bottom, and I've got the opportunity to keep just the year. So I'll change that to keep and apply and close, and because we've synchronized the widgets, that impacts both the revenue view and the income statement view. Now at the moment I'm looking at these views as cross tabs. I might decide that I want to have a look at them as charts, so I'm just going to change this one to be a column chart, and I just want to take those products up to a different level and take it to the product group level rather than the individual product level. Just see that get refreshed there, and equally on this side I'm going to change the view to be, in this case, a line chart. Okay, and there's a couple more things I can do on here, so I can just toggle off the dimensions, so I just get more real estate space to look at on both of these charts. And then the final thing that I'm going to do is change this particular widget down here to be a player. And by that it means it gives me the opportunity to play through the data. So I'm just going to click on the play button, and what we can see just happening there, as the player cycles through each of the regions and total company, we can see the charts above for revenue and for income statement being updated. And I could do exactly the same thing if I wanted to for my time periods as well. So I can change time periods to be a player, and I can stop the company player, and I can just start the time periods player, and we can now see those values cycling through 2014, 2015, 2016, and seeing the impact on the charts for both revenue and the income statement. That's a very quick view of the type of analytics that you can do within IBM's new planning analytics solution. I'm going to leave it till there. Until next time, see you later.